The Uniform Machine Gun Act defines a machine gun as a loaded or unloaded weapon capable of automatically shooting more than one bullet per pull of the trigger. You can be charged with possession of a machine gun by simply being present in the same room, boat, or vehicle as the machine gun. If you use a machine gun, or have one in your possession, during the commission or attempted commission of a crime of violence, the consequences are severe, including felony conviction and up to 20 years. Machine gun owners and manufacturers must register machine guns according to the regulations of Section 403. Failing to register a machine gun as a manufacturer may result in a misdemeanor conviction and fine of up to $100. A Maryland gun lawyer can assist you in avoiding penalties related to machine gun registration. Maryland allows possession of a machine gun only for the manufacture, sale, and transportation of a machine gun, for or to a military force or peace officer of the United States, a state, or a political subdivision of a state, for a scientific purpose, as a curiosity, ornament, or keepsake, of a machine gun that cannot be used as a weapon, or for a purpose that is manifestly not aggressive or offensive. Machine gun possession is also allowed in the transportation of a lawfully possessed machine gun by a person who is carrying a court order, requiring the surrender of the machine gun. Possessing or using a machine gun for an offensive or aggressive purpose is a misdemeanor which carries the punishment of imprisonment up to 10 years. It's important to understand clearly which purposes are considered to be offensive or aggressive. A machine gun is presumed to be possessed or used for an offensive or aggressive purpose anytime the machine is on premises not owned or rented for bona fide permanent residence or business occupancy by the person in whose possession the machine gun is found, or is in the possession of or used by an unnaturalized foreign-born person, or a person who has been convicted of a crime of violence in any state or federal court of the United States, or is not registered per Section 403 of this subtitle. The presumption also includes empty or loaded shells that have been used or are susceptible of being used in the machine gun, found in the immediate vicinity of the machine gun. If you've been arrested in connection with a machine gun, it is important to your case to retain a competent Maryland gun lawyer who can help you navigate the Uniform Machine Gun Act to secure the most favorable outcome. Do you need to turn in a machine gun? If you have received a court order requiring the surrender of your machine gun, make sure you meet the following requirements. The machine gun must be unloaded. You must notify the law enforcement unit, barracks, or station that the machine gun is being transported in accordance with the court order, and you must transport the machine gun directly to the law enforcement unit, barracks, or station. It is critical to pay attention to Maryland's regulations relevant to the possession and transportation of weapons, even in your attempts to comply with the law. It is wise to hire a Maryland gun attorney to advise and walk you through the process in the event that you need to turn in a machine gun.